Yep, bafethu. Yep, bafethu. Yep, bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, bafethu. It doesn't cost anything, bafethu. Okay, bafethu. This is Mr. Patrick Tito Masanganye, bafethu. When I grow up in Tembisa, I used to play no Tito. We stayed in the same street. His friend was my neighbor. So I know Tito very well, very well, very well, very well, very well. Yabo. I played no Tito as a coach wa Uvrega. Vrega is a coach from Tembisa. People from Tembisa know Vrega. So Tito is very talented, Bafethu. I just hate what Jomosono had to say about Lomchita, Bafethu. It was very painful, Bafethu. Saying Tito is an ant compared to an elephant. You can't say such thing in public space, Bafethu. More especially if the person is playing for the team you were playing for. Yabo. Lento demoralize uTito, Bafethu. You can see now, man, Tito is playing, but akekho happy. That's what Dr. Kumalo was saying isizini mayicala ukuthi Tito is not happy. You can tell nje. Yabo. Yabo. Jomosono, I don't know, maybe angayithola lento, but in any situation kungabi nomuntu oyiphindayo lento leyo yabo. Abobhuti bethu laba boTito bafethu, we should learn to respect ama-player bafethu. As much as we can make ama-comment after the match, but kune-comment ne yokuthi awuyenzi, especially if it's not about something. It's not about Jomosono, mfethu demoralizile le ntwana. Uyikhawathile, yabo. Uyikhawathile le ntwana yethu. You can see mfethu ukuthi Tito mfethu was ingizwisa ubuhlungu bafethu. You can comment bafethu ningitshele ukuthi ngiqabangani.